We're going to plant radishes in the square foot garden today, and we're going to plant them in these 2 squares. Now radishes are one of those plants that you can plant 16 of them in every square, so it'll be done on a 4x4 grid. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen up my soil a little bit. It was well tilled, but there's been some rain, so it's gotten kind of a little clumpy, and we have a few weeds that were probably tilled under. Now, it says on the seed package to plant them 1/2 inch deep. And so I'm going to go ahead and do 4 rows. Now, because there are 16 of these that are going to grow in each square, I'm actually going to double plant. So for each position, I'm going to plant 2 seeds, and then I'll come back and thin when they come up. That way I make sure I have 16. 1, 2, oops, 1, 2, 1, 2. And when I'm planting like this, I try and plant the plants a little ways away from each other, maybe a 1/2 inch, so that hopefully they won't come up right next to each other. It just makes thinning easier later on. Okay, well, there we go. Now we'll just cover them up. Kind of pat the soil a little bit to give them good contact. There's a dirt clod. You want to get the rocks and the big clods out because this is a root vegetable. And now the radishes are planted.